Well, good morning, everyone. Show of hands, how many are actually in the room? It's not a dumb question. All right, good.
We developed Becoming Preferred because I wanted, regardless of market conditions, I wanted to create an environment where I don't care what's going on. I don't care if we're in a recession. Matter of fact, I love recessions. Personally, I do. The best time to grab market share and grow your business is in a recessionary time. When times are good and things are rocking and rolling, people aren't in pain. They don't change. It isn't broke. Let's not fix it. So when times are tough, that's when they start to look at things a little bit. So we need to pay attention to those things. I love them. How do you become preferred? How do you become the emotional favorite? Well, today we live in an experience economy. It's all about the experience. Experience will always trump the service as everything else is equal. So if I can't tell you apart from your competitors, but you got the best experience, you win. Think about it. If everything's equal, don't you want the best experience? So what goes into a good experience and how can we create that? Well, I have some ideas for you and we'll see what we can do. You know what? Until further notice, I'm logging you off. I'll take that cell phone. I'm paying for it. They freak out. They call Child Protective Services. My dad just took my cell phone. They've logged me off. We'll send a card. It's the new child abuse, right? It's the new child abuse. But that's why it's about connection, all right? How are you connecting with your customers? How are you connecting? How are you helping them connect with their customers? So we want to connect in a meaningful way. So go into my head now. Next competitor comes in, next competitor comes in. I'm looking at you and you almost all look the same to me. Seriously. You sound the same. Your products look the same. Devices look the same. The services look the same. The bundles look the same. The plans look the same. If a bag of rice and a bag of rice and a bag of rice all looks the same, how much do I want to pay for this? Lowest price possible. Because in my mind, it's a what? What do we call that? A commodity. Question for you, who created the commodity monster? Who created it? In walks a valet, stands at the edge of the auditorium, has some roses and Bernard Calvo chocolates, some Belgian chocolates. Somebody in the balcony goes, shh, 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 and the whole place just quiets right down. The valet walks right up to my partner and goes, these are compliments of Michael. Enjoy tonight's performance. What did 150 women in a 100-foot radius do? What did 150 guys in the same radius do? It wasn't safe for me to go to the bathroom. Here's the big question on that evening. Who became preferred? I had a woman in a program a few months ago, she put her hand up, she goes, what could we put on the thank you note? What comes to mind? You know, thanks for the business. I like it, run with that one. All right, run with that one. See, here's the problem we have as business professionals. Whoever has the highest service standard in business today just raises the bar for all of you, regardless of the industry. You know, in 34 years, I've finally come to the conclusion there's not one day in the year that sums up how I feel about you. Write this down, Greg. This is good stuff. The value, if you had proposed her on the first date, would she have said yes? No. No. 6 months into it, would she have said yes? 1 year into it, maybe. Once the baby starts to show, you got to do something, right? I know. What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is our clients have a point system. They have a way they keep score. We got to deliver value the way the market defines the value, not as we do. All right, you not only become the preferred provider of what you sell, you'll stay the preferred provider of what you sell. You not only have job security or market security, you'll have self-security. And that's the ultimate security. Been a pleasure. Thanks, everybody. Have a great year.